Hey guys, welcome to HNS Academy, and yes, you've read it right. We finally got our channel monetized and it has been accepted with the YouTube partner program. We received this email on the 3rd of August. However, I've been busy with some of the other tasks, so I couldn't really make a video on this. So I thought I should share this news with all of you because you guys have been really helpful. So we started our journey back in April, towards the end of April, and it's been almost 4 months now since we started this channel. I had experimented with a couple of other demo channels to see how YouTube works and how the content can be promoted, etc. So after that, I started uploading videos on this channel. I've not really been consistent, but I've made quite a few videos. So after that, we got our subscribers mainly from a couple of the videos where we got quite a few views. With the watch time, I wouldn't lie, I got some help from some friends and family who had been watching the videos regularly, and those were really long videos, so it kind of helped me cover up most of the watch time. So that's the story. Now the channel is monetized. We've got this email here as well. It gives you all the details and it tells you how to start monetizing your videos and what kind of content you can monetize. Here, if you go to the channel, as you can see, the green $ here, all of the videos are monetized. Now the best part about monetization is that my belief is that now it gives me a lot more confidence and a lot more motivation to create more content. As you'll see that I'll be creating more regular videos on regular basis. Now, a few things I would suggest to do with your channels if you're a new YouTuber is that few things which I learned to improve over time is that your YouTube SEO, that creating good thumbnails, your title, description, and the tags, those really matter, and they help you get a lot more audience. You can get more audience with the right tags and with the right keywords. Now, in order to obviously SEO is not something which everybody is used to. Even I had to search few things and learn it. Couple of things which really helped is, one thing is this TubeBuddy extension which I've been using recently. It really helps you see what kind of keywords to use, and also you're able to get relevant tags as well. So this has been really helpful. VidIQ is another option, but I've not used that a lot, so I wouldn't know about that exactly, but I would definitely recommend this TubeBuddy extension because it helps you get a lot more relevant tags and keywords, and it kind of helps you overall. I'm only talking about this free extension because the paid version, of course, it gives you a lot more functionality and it can improve your SEO in a lot better way. Now that's our story for getting monetized. Now, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave your thoughts in the comment section below, or follow us on the Facebook page. I will leave the link to our Facebook page in the description below. It should be there already. I usually leave it for on all of my videos, and you can send us a message on Facebook as well, which I can then get back to you personally over there, and we can take it from there if you have anything to discuss. And for those of you who know me personally, they could send me private messages as well, and if you have any questions, I would be happy to help. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one very soon. Thank you. Bye bye.